Hello guys, this is your host Mirza Tech. Today in this video I'll show you that how you can get a free VPS of any location you like. Basically what's the use of VPS is like VPS is used as a VPN. Okay, if you are in a country and you want a VPS, a computer server in another country, then you can use that VPS. It has multiple location, like it can be in United States, it can be in UK, it can be in Canada, France. So most of the VPS are basically in USA. Anyway, as the video is about free VPS, so I'm going to show you now. So basically this is the website for free VPS. As we know that VPS has some sort of Windows operating system. Okay, so basically a lot of user would know about Ubuntu 20. You can use this one as well. If you are aware of this version of Linux, you can use this one. If you are aware of this version of Linux, you can use this one. And there are further details of this. If you click on the read more, there you go of this. Anyway, today I'm going to show you a Windows VPS, how you can use it freely. You click on this run online and you click on the start button. Now you need to wait approximately 20 seconds as the VPS operating system is getting set up. Now you need to click on the enter button. Now they are basically preparing your VPS. As you can see, step 3. There you go. Now as you can see, the computer is live and you are on a live computer VPS. Okay, it would be a bit slow, but it will be useful for you. See, if you go into the My Computer, these are your drives, folders, whatever you like. Now let's go for the browsing to check if the internet is working or not. As you can see, the internet is working, the VPS, and let's check the IP address. So basically, as you can see, that this is a Germany VPS, as you can see over here. Okay, so it is a free VPS, you can use it for anything. A lot of people basically buy VPS to make Google AdWords account, Google AdSense account, so you can use this VPS. Anyway guys, that's all from my side for today. I hope you would like the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.